Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a quick get ready with me video, and I need to just revamp this hair. This was an old twist out that I turned into just two twists, a quick protective style. I came back from the gym, so I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm not gonna do much talking. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. It's been a while since I've actually been out, to be honest. So I'm just trying to revamp this hair. It feels a little dry. I definitely updated my hair regimen. So normally whenever my hair needs to refresh, because normally after a couple of days I'll refresh my hair, I stretch my hair out and do another style and then I wash, but now I wash my hair more frequently now. In other words, whenever my hair is dry, the day that I would refresh, I would normally just wash my hair. But today I am pressed on time and I've had a busier schedule, so I won't be doing all of that. My hair is somewhat a little stretched. I'm just kind of loosening it up. I have my Q-Reduce steamer with me and just relax and enjoy. You probably can't see it, but I'm going to be using a little bit of the Jane Carter Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to spritz it. I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. I just want to get it either just on the ends and a little bit around the edges just to moisten that up, because my hair is technically stretched right now. I don't want to weigh it down with too much products. Kind of get it on my edges and the perimeters of my hair. And I'm probably gonna do a twist and curl or something with perm rods. I actually have clips connected to my sweater. There's a new movie that's coming out with Michael B. Jordan. I love him as an actor. Before Black Panther, Creed is coming out. It comes out tomorrow, but I actually want to watch it tonight because I got a new job. I work tomorrow and I'm not going to be able to see it, so I definitely want to try to do that tonight. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned off in 3 sections, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the natural twist out foam, and I'm just going to add some perm rods to it. Off camera I did 3 sections, so I did 4 in the back. It's just a 4 flat twists, and I added some perm rods at the end. I have 3 here in the front, and I can probably fit about 3 or 4 here. I'm gonna take a little bit of foam. I don't want my hair to be drenched because, you know, I want it to dry really quickly. I just need enough for it to set, lock it in place. So I have a total of 10 perm rods in my hair. I am going to go under the dryer, but before I do, I am going to get to my quick makeup routine. Very super simple. It's a little noisy upstairs, but I am going to sit under my dryer for about a half an hour or so and put on my clothes, and I will be right back when my hair is drying. Okay, so I am dressed. I am going to take this out. It's not going to be completely dry, but I was going for a more fluffy look. So when you're taking out rods, you obviously got to be very, very careful. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine. I'm just going to rub some between the palms of my hand. And because my hair, I mean, it feels dry, but because it might still be damp in little hidden areas, you want to make sure that when you're taking down any twists, rods, anything that cause you to separate, that you have a little bit of slip, because the friction between my dry hands will definitely start fires and make my hair look all super frizzy. So I'm going to start in the back. I'm just going to unwind carefully, and I'm going to unwind the twist where it naturally separates. Again, my hair it wasn't really completely wet, so you got to be very careful not to disturb the curl too much. Like I said, I'm going for a fluffy look, so let's just keep our fingers crossed that this came out okay. And let's be clear, I am not really a makeup or beauty guru because I don't know anything about makeup. I'm very, very new to the makeup game. I actually just learned, literally within the last month or so, how to put on lashes. Okay, so I'm not being super gentle with this, but I mean, whatever. Okay, remember, you gotta be very careful how you separate your hair. It's gonna make or break your hair. Again, my hair is not super defined. I was going for a fluffy, nice look. Since my hair is stretched. And so far I'm liking what I see. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking what I see. I'm hoping that this lasts for about 3 days, hopefully. I want to get 3 days out of this. So let's hope and pray it comes out okay. See, I'm telling you guys to be careful when you separate, but I'm not being careful. So, I'm being a hypocrite. But, you know how to deal with your hair. So, okay, it came out okay. I don't really go crazy with the fluffing like that anymore, but to remove some of the harsh lines, I will. I've been using my Luxe Therapy, I don't even know what this is called. It's a scalp soother, scratcher. I use this like for everything. And when I use regular, like your traditional picks, a lot of the times it's usually fine teeth or they're really close together. This does enough fluffing and it doesn't disturb my curls or my style too much. So this is perfect for me, you know. But oh my god, this actually came out good for a quick... I did all of this in under 2 hours. Let's be clear that recording and cutting and editing, that is gonna take time, but to get dressed, do my hair, my makeup, I think I did pretty good. I really like the way the hair came out. I just want to get rid of some of these lines, like I said. Once I get rid of the lines, I think it'll be okay. You see, I see a little bit of frizz right here, and that's to be expected because I didn't use a lot of hold. My hair was still basically dry, but this was just a really quick style. And you gotta remember, perm rods are my specialty, so I just know how to work with it, you know. But this is the style of my hair. I love the way it came out. I actually like the way it came out. Like I said, my whole goal was to just get a little bit of curls, but I wanted more volume. My hair was stretched. I didn't really want the curls to revert back too much. But I think to do a really quick style in like less than an hour, it looks okay. I've been using Jane Carter off the scenes for a couple months now. I really like it for perm rod sets. And once again, to refresh my hair, I ended up using the Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. I ended up using the natural twist out foam. I'm sorry, I'm keep looking away because I'm looking at the products. And then I used a little bit of the Nourish and Shine on my ashy hands. I use it on my elbows sometimes too. But I actually put a little bit on my hands just to separate the curls. So that's it for my tutorial. Like I said, it's been a while, but I've been in a better creative space to record now. Hopefully you guys did like this video. I'm going to try to condense it the best way I can. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this. If you did or didn't like it, let me know in the comments below. I'm very active down here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!